In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz using the versatile and user-friendly platform Tally.so. Whether you're looking to engage your audience with a fun trivia challenge or a subject-specific quiz, Tally.so offers a seamless experience for creating interactive forms. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser and head over to Tally.so. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Don't have an account yet? No worries. Signing up is quick and free, so you can get up and running in no time. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new form. Look for the option to start fresh with a plus new form. Give your quiz a catchy and informative title, something like Math Quiz or Trivia Challenge, to spark interest and set expectations for your participants. With your form created and titled, let's move on to adding the quiz questions. Tally.so provides flexibility with multiple question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, or drop-down blocks. Simply type in your question and then add the answer options below. This allows for a wide range of question dynamics, catering to various quiz formats and styles. An exciting feature of Tally.so is the ability to set correct answers for auto-grading. If you like this functionality, you can use logic or form rules to assign points for each correct answer. This step is particularly useful if you're aiming to provide instant feedback or scores to participants upon completing the quiz. If you want to structure your quiz with more complexity, consider adding more sections. This can mean creating separate pages for each question or grouping related questions together into different pages. This organized approach can enhance the user experience by minimizing overwhelm and guiding participants through the quiz effortlessly. Customizing the design of your quiz is a great way to increase engagement. You have the option to add images, adjust colors, or incorporate your branding elements. This not only makes your quiz visually appealing, but also aligns it with your brand identity or the theme of the event. Before sending your quiz out into the world, take a moment to see it from the participant's perspective. By clicking preview, you can test how the quiz looks and functions, ensuring everything is in place and working as expected. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to publish your quiz. This is as simple as clicking the publish button. You'll receive a link to your quiz, which you can easily share. Whether you choose to distribute it via email, spread it across social media, or embed it directly on your website, your quiz is ready to reach its audience. After your quiz has been shared and responses start rolling in, you can view the results directly from your Tally dashboard. Here, you can see participants' scores and responses in real time, providing valuable insights into their performance. And there you have it. Creating a quiz with Tally.so is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to focus on crafting exciting and engaging content for your audience. Happy quizzing!